up, boys? Damn, it's early. Well, it's like 9:30, but it's early. But anyways, old James scored the used parts truck jackpot, I guess you could say. I don't know how to say it. Basically, he found this old cat kind of in our area that's got a couple OBS's and some other old cars laying around in his yard, and sells his parts off cheap. And James was like, dude, you need to hit this dude up. He's got your doors and bumpers. So I texted him and I was like, hey, you know, I need a straight front set of electric doors, left and right. I don't care about the interior door panels. I just care that you can pull the handle on the inside and open the door, and that it's electric windows. So I can do that later on. He's like, yeah, dude, let's see. Both doors and a bumper, 200 bucks. And the bumper's already pulled, so all I gotta do is pull the doors. And I looked up what I gotta do to do that, so hopefully that goes pretty smooth. From what I understand, I just gotta pop 2 retaining clips on each pin and then hammer the pins out and yank it and cut the wires or undo the connector. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're borrowing Ashley's car so we can fit them doors in here. I think what I'm gonna do is just put the skin side down on the first one, and then put the second one to where the interior sides touch each other. And I think we'll be okay with that. It's not too far. It's like a 20-minute drive up to the north side of the boonies. It's a well, I guess I live on south side BFE. This dude lives on north side BFE. So same, just different. So anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. Just get a little B-roll on the way there. I gotta hit the ATM, get this guy some cash, and then we'll be there. So let's get to it. So his place is pretty cool. I didn't want to like record, and a lot of people around here are like super weird about you recording. Like they think you're the FBI trying to find their secret weed stash or something. Like it's not legal already. But anyways, this guy wasn't like that. I don't record at people's houses because everybody's always weird about it. So I just quit even trying. But I got both the doors pulled. The dude's super cool, helped me out, use his tractor because they're kind of like way back in his back pasture. And he helped me with his tractor, load the doors on his brush hog, and then he drove them up to the front for me. And we got one to fit in the old Murano, but the way this one fit in here, I was like, I know we ain't getting the other one in here, and I'm supposed to be getting a bumper too. And I was like, fuck, I should have just asked to use Chris's truck to begin with. But I hate borrowing people's shit, so like I try to do everything I can to use my own shit. That's why I want these trucks going so bad, the OBS and the Stimmy trucks, so I can do my own shit. I don't have to borrow nothing from nobody, and I can just do my own thing, and I don't have to and if you know what I'm talking about, you know, it's so annoying to have to not be able to do something yourself and have to borrow somebody else's shit to get something done. It's so annoying to me. But anyways, I'm gonna head to the house, get this one out of here. Ashley's gonna be pissed. I kind of scratched a little panel of her car, but I can fix it about 90% to where you would notice it. But when I get to the house, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, get this out of here and see if I can get old Whitebeard's truck. Come back up here and grab the other door and a bumper, and should be in good shape. So let's get to it. Alright, so we snatched old Whitebeard's truck up. He was kind enough to let me borrow it, and it worked out because we needed gas anyways in the gas can. So I was like, perfect, well, I'll use your truck to go get my doors and bumper, and then, or my door, and then get gas on the way back. Perfect. And then also, I keep forgetting it, but I hope I remember by the time I get there, I'm gonna try to stop by Tractor Supply, and hopefully, I've heard that they have trailer fenders, which is what I'm gonna use for tubs in the front. So it works out because everything's like on the way from each other. So we're going to, I'm gonna snatch the doors and bumpers up first so I can be done with that old boy and, you know, not tie up any more of his day where he's, you know, waiting on me. Get that taken care of, and then get some gas and go to Tractor Supply and see if we can score some tubs. And man, today's like if I can get the trailer fenders and I got the doors and bumper, that knocks out like some huge parts that I needed to get. So that's pretty cool. So now what I'll have to do while I'm thinking about it is I'm gonna go ahead and order some new door bushings, those little whatever, I know the brass or copper, whatever they are. There's certain ones that are shit, and James got some and they're holding up pretty good. So get some new pins and bushings, and then hopefully we should be in pretty good shape after that. Pins, bushings, this dude's got our door sill rubber molding. And then I'm gonna get Whitebeard a hood latch back because I stole his off the dually. So we'll get that done. And then, so basically might not be actually like installing anything today, but I'm getting a lot accomplished by, you know, going and picking this stuff up and getting it back to the house. Now the truck's at the house, so we'll be in good shape. Let's get her did. Alright, sorry today's video kind of sucks. It's kind of like, okay, Big Whoop, you went and got doors, but for the OGs, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Secured the other door, the bumper, got 3 out of 4 of the pieces of the rubber like weather stripping that I need. The upper piece for like the outer door sill on the driver's side, he didn't have a clean one. All of them are ripped or torn up. So maybe hopefully I can buy the pair of just those, not the one that goes all the way around the door trim. But hopefully I can secure just some top pieces off of Amazon or something cheap. Probably do that. Because water's getting inside the cab when it rains, so I'm trying to get a hold of that before it's too late. So yeah, got all that stuff. I stopped at Tractor Supply and they did have trailer fenders, so I grabbed a pair of them. They weren't too bad. They were 50 bucks a piece, so that's pretty good. So won't be able to do it today because we got some family stuff going on, and I'm already pissing everybody off because I've been running around doing my thing all day. So when we get to the house, I'll kind of show you guys what I got, and then we'll seal the video up there, and maybe tomorrow I can actually do something on the truck and get some content out for you guys. So let's get to the house so you guys can see what I got. Woo! Tuckered out, boys. These are the 2 trailer fenders. So basically we'll just, you know, kind of set these up in there. Probably one side will probably get the trim rolled off of it. Get them up in there and massage them into place. And then these are the doors. This come off an extended cab and the back door was gone, so they had this on there and had like plastic taped across it, so that's all right. All I gotta do is peel it off. Good to go. So pretty straight, a lot better than mine. Couple little itty bitty dings here and there, but nothing like mine, how mine were just like creased. And then that's the driver's side door. I'm gonna change my locks anyways, so that's fine. And then this one don't have a door panel, but it has a door handle, major key. But one thing I am gonna have to do when I get these on, so I still gotta order the brass bushings and pins. When I put these in, I pretty much need to have, that's gonna be like a full weekend deal, because what I'm gonna do is take these doors off, clean the door jamb up, put the new pins in, and then try to have the wiring for the window switches and stuff. That way, when I put it on, I'll be able to roll my windows down, because I'm going to be in a predicament. If I put these doors on right now and don't have them wired up, I won't be able to roll the window up or down. And this truck don't have air, so that would get old really fast. But anyways, and then the back bumper, I've got it flipped over. It's pretty clean. It's in pretty good shape. It's not too dented up. It's got a couple little scratches, but that's fine for now. It'll get me down the road. It'll get me legal where I can get the tag down here and get a light on it, because Oklahoma cops are like big time for like all the little stuff. Oklahoma cops are big on, let's find the littlest shit we can to legally pull this guy over and run him, because there's a good chance he lives in Oklahoma and he's got meth on him. So like expired tags, tag lights, blinkers, they'll say you don't have your seatbelt on, like you'll get shit like that here real bad. So I always make sure I'm on my P's and Q's about that stuff. I haven't been on this truck, but I'm fixing to be. So other than that, boys, it's getting pretty late in the afternoon. People will be showing up here in a few hours, so I'm gonna help them finish up the last couple things in the yard, probably mow. But other than that, oh, that's kind of cool, that extra weight in the back. Got that truck squatting low, boy. I will not lie, I'm kind of nervous about my oil pan. Kind of nervous about it. But just gotta have faith and hope for the best. So that's it for today's video. Like I said, sorry it's kind of lame, but nonetheless, we got a nice score picked up. Got the rubber moldings, the doors, and the bumper for 200 bucks, and scored Whitebeard hood latch, because we stole his off the dually. And for another 100 got the fender, trailer fenders, whatever they are, whatever you want to call them. They're fixing to be my tubs. So I got all that stuff. Pretty much spent 300 bucks today and got pretty much everything I need to where I feel comfortable about driving the truck more. Because right now, like, not having fender liners in the front is throwing water everywhere. I already broke, apparently my main fuse box like broke and was like bouncing on the tire, so that could have ended catastrophically. So basically I need to get them fenders in there quick so I can actually mount stuff to the fenders and not have to worry about them hitting the tire or getting water flung on them. So other than that, the Yeet Tee pre-order is still live, and this weekend, 4th of July weekend, until Monday night at midnight, I'm running 30% off the whole website. You don't have to put a code in or nothing. You're good to go. So if there's something you've been wanting and you wanted to get a little cheaper, didn't want to spend as much money, this weekend's the time. Head over to MattyXBuilds.com, support the channel, and check something out. Other than that, peace out. Be human, don't blow your hand off, and we'll see y'all later.